Today we're going to go through a full year on YouTube. So this will be my first channel that I've ever had. It is my mommy channel. This is going to be April of 2023 all the way through March of 2024. So 12 months. I will say I'm not monetized. That's okay. We're going to keep going. But let's go ahead and jump into a full first year on YouTube with no previous experience whatsoever. Okay, so like I said, we are going to jump right into it. This is my mommy channel. This is the first ever channel I've had, and these are my subscribers gained throughout the first 12 months. Now, I will say these subscribers have come from long videos and short videos. The following slides are all going to be based on long form. That's my primary focus. However, I am gaining subscribers through shorts. So those are going to be here as well. So again, we're going April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, and March. So that is 12 months. My total here is 94, with my highest month being 19 subs gained, and that is for July. Not too much to say there, except for I am not even close to 1,000. Okay, now let's talk watch time hours, and these are my long form watch time hours. Because short and long don't go into the same pool for monetization, so I'm working on a long form monetization. My first 3 months on YouTube, I only did shorts. I was basically learning how to edit, how to upload, how to film. I didn't know what I was doing, and I thought it would be better to start off with shorts and kind of get a handle on things. So April, May, and June, I have no long form watch time hours. Then I got July with like 28, got some like single digits, 14, 12. This one is January. I got 34 watch time hours. So that was really exciting. However, still very far from the goal of what you actually need to get. So for the first 12 months that I had my channel, I got 114 total long form watch time hours. Now, these are my long form views. So notice July was tall, got a lot of views. July tall, got a lot of watch time hours. However, look at January. January, I got so many hours, yet I didn't have a lot of views. The key here will be on an upcoming slide, and that is the viewer duration. So we'll talk on that more. Okay, so views. I need to get more views. Honestly, truly, I mean, a lot of these are under 1,000 views for a month, an entire month. I need 1,000 views on every video, and I'm publishing a decent amount of content. Every month at a minimum got 4 long form videos. Quite a few months are getting more than that. And I will say that total was 8,435 views for my first 12 months on YouTube. Next, this is our click-through rate. So these are the videos that people see the impression, or the impression is them seeing it, and then they decide to click it, whether the thumbnail's good, the title is good, or the topic itself interests them. So we want this to be as high as possible, and my best were December, and then I think October here, in January, with July close behind. So those 4 were my best. And this one up here was above 4. The graph doesn't show the percentage the best. These are whole numbers, but over 4% click-through rates, pretty solid. My average for the full year was 2.5%. Now, average view duration. I was having trouble showing this in a bar graph, so I went ahead and made this quick table. Now, average view duration for longs. So the first 3 months are going to be 0. And then if we notice 30s, 40, 30, 40, 30, 2 minutes. We made a change here. So we got 2 minutes, 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. January, remember how I said we didn't get a lot of views, but we got a lot of watch time? It's because people were watching the videos longer. You need less views to get you that watch time. And views aren't what get you monetized. It's the watch time. So average view duration is very, very important. I don't think it is talked about enough. So that is a quick look at my channel over 12 months, again, April to March. And if you want to learn more about how I got my average view duration up for those last 3 months, go ahead and click the video coming up on the screen now, and that is where you will learn more. If you cannot find it on the screen, it will be linked in the description. So please check that out.